Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the different images each time when you turn on your device. So in this device you can see, when you turn on the device you can see each and every time the lock screen wallpaper is changing. So let me show you how to do this one. Simply go to settings, tap on the option wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper. At the bottom, tap on the option wallpaper services. You need to select the option dynamic lock screen or Samsung global goals. So here I go for the dynamic lock screen, and after that you can see one gear button. Tap on this one. So here you can see some categories of photos you can see here, and you can download these categories, and these categories will applied on your lock screen. So here I am going to download the option landscape, and also I am going to download special. Yeah, successfully we downloaded. Now go to the lock screen. You can see the lock screen wallpaper is changing when you turn on the device automatically. So here also you can see the following wallpapers you can see here. Okay, so simply in this way we can set or show the different images each time when you turn on your device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.